The moment you lay eyes on the BMW X5M, you know it's not just an SUV. It's a statement of pure power and refined luxury. The aggressive kidney grille, flanked by sharp adaptive LED headlights, gives it an unmistakable presence. Bold, athletic, and ready to dominate. The sculpted hood and aerodynamic lines flow like tensioned muscles, while the wide stance and flared arches promise unshakable control. Those 21-inch M alloy wheels, paired with the gloss black accents and mirror caps, catch the light as if they're alive, and the deep metallic paint finish gleams like liquid steel. Move to the rear, and the quad exhausts, sleek LED taillights, and subtle M badging make one thing clear. This machine was born for performance. Step inside, and the world transforms. The cabin wraps you in M Sport luxury. The finely stitched Merino leather seats grip you with comfort and support, exuding elegance with every detail. The dashboard feels like a futuristic cockpit, clean yet commanding, centered around the massive curved display and BMW's iDrive system that responds with effortless precision. Every control is crafted for the driver, from the tactile M gear selector to the responsive paddle shifters. The ambient lighting sets the perfect mood, and the panoramic glass roof floods the space with light, adding a sense of boundless freedom. Fire up the engine, and the roar of the twin-turbo V8 sends chills down your spine. A symphony of raw power and engineering mastery. On the road, it's not just about speed, it's about precision. The X5M moves with agility that defies its size, gripping every curve with confidence. The cabin remains hushed, except for that exhilarating growl when you push the throttle. The BMW X5M isn't merely driven, it's experienced. It blends luxury and performance into an unforgettable journey, making every moment behind the wheel feel alive, powerful, and cinematic.